Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loki for log browsing on VPS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into Loki for log browsing on your VPS, begin by opening your terminal. Make sure you have the necessary access credentials for your VPS. Use the SSH command to connect to your VPS. Type SSH username at your VPS IP into the terminal. Replace username with your actual username and your VPS IP with the IP address of your VPS. Press enter and enter your password when prompted. Once you are logged in, ensure that Loki is installed on your VPS. If Loki is not installed, you will need to install it via your package manager. Next, locate the configuration file for Loki. Edit the configuration file using a text editor such as Nano or Vim. In the configuration file, specify the log directory you want Loki to monitor. Save the changes you made to the configuration file. Now, start the Loki service by using the command specific to your system. For example, type system to start Loki if you are using systemd. After the service has started, ensure it is running by checking the status. You can check the status by typing system to status Loki. If Loki is running properly, you can access its web interface. Open your web browser and enter the URL for your Loki instance. This is typically http:// your VPS IP 3100. Log in using the credentials you set during the installation. You should now be able to navigate through your logs. Explore the various features for filtering and searching logs in the interface. Feel free to customize the dashboard according to your preferences. You have successfully logged into Loki for log browsing on your VPS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.